Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this very powerful 15 watts Tinwoo wireless charger. It's not my first Tinwoo product because I already have their watch, which I think is one of the best smartwatches apart from the Apple Watch and Wear OS watches. It's a very good watch with an always on display and wireless charge built in. But let's go back to the charger. You can see it here, and the crazy thing is how thin this is. This is super thin. This fits almost everywhere in your pocket, or if you want to carry it with your backpack. It's super lightweight and super thin. And what I also noticed is that it comes with a very good USB-C charging port. A lot of such wireless chargers have a charging port like underneath or so, and then it can be super difficult to plug in just any USB-C charging cables which you have already. And here it's on the side, so absolutely no problem. By the way, in the package included, there's already one USB-C cable, and we can just plug it in, and then we get the red light at the beginning, and so it's ready to charge. So we can take, for example, this watch, put it here, and you can see how fast it starts charging almost immediately. And not only their watch, it can almost charge anything. It's fully compatible with the QI wireless standard, so which means it can virtually charge anything which can be wirelessly charged. It's important to have a really good power supply. I highly recommend to use some fast charge, quick charge, something like that, something which can provide at least 2 amps or even higher voltage. This can always help. And as an extreme example, I can show you even this rugged phone here which I have. I put it here like that, and you can see even this very thick rugged phone with an extra case here is easy going to charge here. And I can tell you it's super difficult to find any kind of wireless charger which is capable to charge this phone. So I had it now here for a couple of minutes, and it has never disconnected, it has never interrupted with charging. Really nice. And at the end, when it's fully charged, the light would turn off, so no red light, no blue light, so you know the charge is finished. What's also good, here in the back we have these 4 really nice soft rubber feet, so it has really safe stand. And here you can see that we have also some ventilation openings. This is very helpful when we have a charger which is lying flat on something. But you don't have to be worried anyway about overheating or so, because it has a lot of safety built in already for overheating, over current, over voltage. So I think it's one of the best wireless charger which you can find on the market at the moment, and I can give you full recommendation on that. And I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.